I'm gonna miss my friends and also the events.
I'm gonna miss the bus rides to all the camps because they were crazy.
I'm gonna miss the events at Northside. I'm gonna miss the fights that Olivia and Tyler had in class.
What I will miss most about Northside is the sports and the sense of community it gives. Being in a team with your friends and just enjoying the experiences and learning new things. Northside has taught me a lot about friendships and relationships and how to treat other people respectfully, and everything that I learned at Northside I'll take to me to high school, college, and further. I'm gonna miss everybody here, and I just gonna miss this. I'll just miss this school. It's been a very exciting experience.
My favorite memory at Northside is becoming the chess team captain. It has been a great experience, and hard work, commitment, and integrity will get you everywhere.
My favorite memory was at Ubungani when Marong thought a snake spit on him and he almost cried.
So my favorite memory at Northside is when there was a big fight between the Sun and 6s and 7s over a soccer ball and we wanted to throw a shoe at someone.
My favorite memory is when my friends and I started playing cards in the middle of the night in Ubungani.
My favorite memory is when we were at Ubungani and Un took a lizard out of the sink and threw it at me. I screamed for like 2 seconds, but I was laughing for the rest of the day.
My favorite memory has to be when I first arrived as a little wee baby. Now when I first arrived, I'm sure Mrs. Richards has said this multiple times, but I may or may not have run away. Since I was a baby, I thought that, there were scary adults. I didn't know they were here to help. So I ran for about a good 10 minutes, and Mrs. Richards doesn't let me live it down.
advice for younger students is to make as many best friends as you can in reception, and the best ones will stick to you throughout the whole year.
Advice to younger children is that if you are or someone else is having a bad day and they lash out at you or make you feel bad, don't take it personally because everyone has bad days.
Advice to the children is don't give someone the opportunity to ruin your day. Show them that you're strong and you're the last person to mess with.
My advice is when things aren't working, just dice roll over the rest of the system. It always works.
My advice for younger students is to enjoy Standard 7 while you can, because you can think as soon as you get here, it seems like such a long time, but the time goes by so fast. So I would advise to just enjoy it while you can.